Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix of Forcestop on the application of very good settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Brave app and you will click. Here in this page you will go to Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.